Hello, Lucas here. It's such a big pleasure to me to have you here. Today, I will teach you very easy dance steps that you can start now, okay? This is a really dance for beginners, so don't worry, I'll stay with you. You just need to follow me, okay? Let's go. First of all, maybe you are in your house, you are on a club or on a party, and you just hear music, you listen music, and you start. Step, side, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Maybe we can start to do some movements with the arm here and relax. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, keep going. What I want you to do now is just relax, okay? Relax. Smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You look around. Let's go. Hello. Say hello for somebody. Hello. Very good. Keep going like that. Little bit forward. Little bit forward. And I just flex my hips. Side, side. Come on. Hey. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Let's go. Relax. Enjoy the music. You can actually do the same steps with your own music. Play your song in your house. Put this video and let's do it together, okay? Side, side, and right, and left, and right, and left, and right, and left. Okay, let's go now a little bit more confident, okay? Let's do some arms here. Up and down. Up and down. Look. And right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Okay, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Look at my arm. Go 1, go 2, go 3, go 4, go 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again, but now, what I will do? I will just do 2 steps to the right, and after, 2 steps to the left, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop. Are you ready? Let's go. 2. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, and 1. Stop. Remember, arm, 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 and go. Double steps. Double steps. Again. Relax. Relax. Shoulders. Let's go. Come on. Double, double, double. Okay. More confident. I go to the right. And then I go double, right, double, left. My shoulders, 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 shoulders. And go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And little bit. Turn side, side. And come. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3. You see this? Shake your hips. Right, left, right, and left. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Yes. One more time, man. 1, 2, 3. And go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. More confident, more confident, more confident. Come on, to the right. Yes, yes. One more time, man. 1, 2, 3. You see, we have like a one position here. Okay? I will dance. I will dance. 2, 3. Let's go. And one more time. 1, 2. Opa! Arm up. Can you do that? Let's see. Let's try it together. And right, left, right, left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Slowly. Right, left, right, and left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, step right, left back, open and close. One more time. Step left, right back, open and close. One more time. Open right, left back, open and close. Left, right back, open and close. Little bit more faster. Huh? 1, 2, 3. Step again. 5, 6, 7. Step. Can you do that with me? Little bit more faster, but still not with the music. Let's go. Prepare. 5, 6, 7. Just walk and right, left, right, and left, left, right. Look, the leg one, the foot one, who comes, goes after. He come and go. Step and go. Okay, one more time. Right, left. I think you are ready, huh? I can feel that. Let's go with the music. Hop, hop. 1. A step. Very good. Hey. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step. Let's put one hand here. This hand, this clap is for give you energy, okay? Come on. Hey. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Lucas, it's not a very big step. No. It's a very small step. Up. You can look to the side, look to the other side. Because your eyes looks like so confident. People look at you and say, oh my God, he is really dancing. She is really dancing. And you look to the side. Look to the side. Okay, stop. 1, 2, 3, and step. Step, step. One more time. 1, 2, 3, step. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, our new one. Step, cross, step, cross, step, cross, step, cross. Okay? Again, from the beginning. This beginning is also your base. It means you will always stay like this. Imagine this situation. You just club. You just come. You just come to party. You just come to the club. Or maybe you are in your house. How you come? You don't come like this. No. You just feel the music. Feel? Shake, shake. Take your place around you. Take your place. So I'm here. Hello. Hello, Phil. Hello, Nancy. I don't know who is people. Just say hello for somebody. You can stay here maybe with your drink. Okay? Doesn't matter. You take your place. You feel confident, yes? You can move your arms forward. Not too much, okay? No. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double steps to the right. And right, left. Remember, we shake, shake, shake. Double step. Let's go. 1, 2. Again, shake, shake. Now, step cross. Open, right. Open, right. Left, open, and back. Again. Very good. I think from the beginning, huh? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Pump, pump. Pump, pump. And shake. 1, 2, 3. And double. Double. Now, step cross. Put left leg back, right leg back again. And 1. Okay. One more time. From the beginning, shake your arm up. Arm up. Double step. Double. Hey. Double. One more time. Arm up. Come on. Let's go. Up. Okay. Open right. 1, 2, step back. 1, 2, step back. 1, 2, step back. 1, 2, stop. Yep. Aye, very good. Steps is for help you. Maybe you go to party or maybe you go to club or you just want to have some fun in your house. You can practice these steps. Come back from the beginning again. It's very short video, okay? If you like this video, subscribe in my channel and check all my playlists about dance. How learn how to dancing, lose weight with dancing, and my video dances too, okay? Thank you very much. Don't forget to write your comment here, okay? See you later. Bye.